Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so let's see. Wow, first card pa lang natin, Lovers. Uy. Tapos biglang Ten of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so let's check muna itong mga cards natin dito. And we also have here the King of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Four of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. Okay, so may mga energies na naman tayo dito ng confused energy between two persons. Maaaring kung twin flame connection to, ay nalilito between their karmic and the true twin flame. Pero pwedeng hindi rin naman ganon kung if you're not dealing with a twin flame. So, bottom card natin, Judgment. So, talagang may decision making dito, nalilito or hindi makapag-decide kung sino ba with this energy ng Two of Swords. We also have here two kings, King of Pentacles and the King of Wands. So parang nalilito siya between two person. And kahit kasi ang hirap na mamili, nahihirapan siya mamili, lalo na kahit yung isa sabihin natin niloko na siya, may mga history na ng panloloko, itong isa dito sa dalawang pinagpipilian, para kasing may feelings pa rin totally, hindi pa rin nawawala yung feelings na yon. Kaya nahihirapang mamili. So, tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards. Okay. So, Scissor. So, yung isa dito sa dalawang pinagpipilian, matagal na kayong walang communication. Or kung ikaw man to na nalilito between these two persons, yung isa sa kanila, matagal na kayong walang communication. Pero you're still hoping na babalik siya sa'yo. And the knife. Medyo masakit itong separation yung dalawa. So, medyo may mga masasakit na salita na nabitawan. And the snake cards, talaga may third party situation na naganap. So, we also have here the rain. Speaking of rain, umuulan ngayon. Kasalukuyang umuulan. And the mountain card. So, maaaring at this moment, iniisip ka nitong taong to. And the magnet. So, ang lakas ng magnetic pull na nararamdaman niya between sa inyong dalawa, sa connection na to, no? So, sana naririnig nyo kasi lumalakas yung ulan. So, tingnan natin sa message ng archangels natin. Okay, so we have here, wow, prosperity by Archangel Ariel. Your material needs are provided as you follow your intuition and manifest your dreams into reality. So ang ganda nito ha, you are na-attract mo pati yung mga magagandang energy ngayon, prosperity, material things, ayan, yung mga kailangan mo ay ipoprovide sa'yo ngayon ng universe. So, kung ano yung hiniling mo kay universe, manifest mo yan ngayon. So, tingnan pa natin, ano bang messages ng mga, dito, the hidden truth, oracle cards. I'm becoming a better person. I regret lying to you. So, itong isa sa kanila, may mga realization sa buhay. Ayan, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. Diba? So, kasi siguro kaya nalilito ka between these two persons, kasi nagpaparamdam na naman itong past person na to, na ilang beses mo na rin to siguro binigyan ng chance, or kahit siguro yung iba sa inyo ngayon pa lang, ayan, I bury myself in work to forget you. Kaya parang nalilito ka. Although maayos naman na yung, kumbaga, smooth na naman yung flow dito sa new person sana. Kaso parang, ayan, this person is nagpaparamdam. Tingnan natin. Kaya, ayan, I messed up everything. I know I messed up everything. I feel you leaving me behind. I love you unconditionally. You speak to me through music and I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, siguro, parang nakapag-decide ka na napiliin itong new person pero biglang nagparamdam tong isa. Kaya medyo na nagulantang ka, nalito, or gusto mo na mag-isip-isip. No, nag-iisip-isip muna. So, tingnan natin sa Tarot Messages Oracle Cards. I will start to save money. My intuition choose you. Can we talk? And I can't decide. Ayun na nga. Undecided ka kasi biglang gustong makipag-usap tong isa. Parang sa tinagal-tagal after kanyang i-ghost, tapos biglang babalik ng ganun-ganun na lang. And you're so sexy. Caught in the middle kasi nga, caught in the middle talaga itong sitwasyon na to. Undecided. Talagang, ayan. You're my wish come true and I have fear and anxiety. Bottom card, you're my inspiration. And tingnan natin sa mga initials natin dito. Meron tayong letter S, J, L, X, and P. Letter K, O, B, and letter U. Letter E yung bottom card natin. So, tingnan natin sa blue card. We have your family. Twin flame. And regret. Oh. Tapos nakita ko pa si jealousy. So, may mga nagsaselos na. So, maaaring may nararamdaman na or nararamdaman na nitong new person mo na parang, teka lang, parang, bakit biglang nagbago ang isip? Or, papunta na doon, tapos, pwedeng sa'yo nangyayari ito or sa kanya. So, maaaring, nagiging okay na kayo and then parang naguguluhan yung isip niya kasi may past person na nagbabalik or nagpaparamdam, no? Okay, so, and tingnan natin general signs and the messages natin. Practical. Future lover. Kind-hearted. Killer smile. Skin tag. Long distance. So, isa sa kanila is long distance. Very serious. Talented. Green-minded. Aries sign. Intelligent. Sagittarius, December, trustworthy, very lucky, crazy for you, sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, party animal, and popular. Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, friendly, November, and emotional. Visayas, number 5, karmic relationship, private person, selfie-holic, and September last card natin. Okay, so yon ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.